In every pains we go through in this life, that's the dead sky. I wonder how my fate will be like. You'll be running away from me, but I'll be scaring by now. Who the sins I have seen in the cross, be my glory ever. Beautiful day. We thank God for our life, and I pray that God will bless us all. Whilst we are coming to start this recipe, we are coming to prepare lentil rice. So now I'm doing my preparation first. This is my onion I'm chopping. I want to be fast so that I will not waste your data. God bless you for watching me. I have my 1 cup of rice here. I'm coming to soak it. Yeah. This is my brown lentil. You can see. I have my cinnamon, my pepper, my lemon. After I will add lentil spices to the rice I'm coming to cook. So now, and this is my macaroni. This is my vermicelli spaghetti. This is how it is. I'll break it into pieces, then I'll fry it with olive oil and butter. So I have my blended tomatoes. I've frozen it in the freezer. I'm coming to make garlic tomato sauce that we are going to eat with it. And the onion, I will fry and make onion chips, you understand, so that you can spread on top as garnishing or accompaniment. Yeah, the name is Bidina Waka Doings. I love you. If I have wronged you, please forgive me. Keep watching my videos, and God bless you. See you next. Who is Bidina Waka Doings? Bidina Waka vibes on YouTube. No hard feelings. Now every day here with the vibe. So I have done with the onion. So the onion is, what I will do is I'm coming to soak the rice in. I have cleaned my lentil. Yeah. I have soaked my rice. This is salt. I've already added vinegar here. But you see, I added vinegar so you can see that the lentil is, the skin is removing. Yeah. So this is my lentil, this is my rice, this is my macaroni, and this is my next. This is onion and vermicelli. I'm breaking it into small. Then I'll fry it to get a golden color. Yeah. This recipe, after we finish, it will be so nice. So we are here to start. My garlic here. This is my onion. I'm adding 1 chili pepper. I'm coming to blend them. White onion and white onion. This is my green pepper. So I'm coming to combine them and blend them. So we are coming to do the garlic sauce here. This is tomato puree. Tomato puree. The green is green pepper. with the blended ingredients. I'm doing the garlic sauce. The garlic is too much inside. Yeah, because I want to smell the garlic inside the sauce. Yeah, because this garlic sauce, it goes with the lentil rice we are coming to prepare. Yeah, so please, if you are still watching me, God bless you and I love you. Keep watching. So this is my tomato. I frozen it because it was in the freezer. This is tomatoes. It will melt. Yeah, let's wait. You will see how the results will be. Adding salt. This is ginger powder and garlic and onion powder mixed in. This is my curry powder. So this is the only ingredients I just want to add. I don't want any too much spices on this. This is my garlic sauce. Anytime I cook it, I don't add too much spices. Yeah, I don't. I want it just because even the onion and everything, onion and garlic, they are too much in, and it will make it smell good. Yeah, and taste good. So we are waiting for it to cook. I just added my black pepper, a little lemon powder and white pepper to it. This is a drop of vinegar. This is ketchup. I'm coming to fry my spaghetti.
Who feel worried then? I'm bobbing if you will
I'm frying it to become
what's I'm not
golden color.
At open is about call at you. Sharp now any pobonerisu. One in and so one can. Yeah, into buy a jow no go be dying.
Come to start the recipe now. I'm adding my olive oil here. I have to make sure my onion is brown, so we are toasting it small. Yeah. I'm cooking one portion of lentil rice. Yeah. So in my recipe, any one portion, 2 people or 3 people share, or sometimes 4. But if you are in the house, you can gauge and see. Yeah. The onion is brown. This is my cinnamon here. This is nutmeg, black powder, black pepper powder, cinnamon powder, and lemon powder. After I will make sure I will add the method and the recipe, preparation, everything under my description box so that you will watch and do the same thing. Yes. So this is my lentil right now. The lentil is the one standing for the recipe. Yeah. So this is my lentils. Let's toss it small. This is salt. So my next is my macaroni. So the next is rice. That's lemon and cinnamon powder and black pepper, so that we'll get the brown color. So the next will be this. So I'm going in with my pepper. "20 minutes it will cook. It doesn't take too much time. 20 minutes. Let's go and check our garlic sauce we are going to eat with it. The garlic sauce we are going to eat with this. It contains too much garlic. Yeah, because you want the garlic to stand for the sauce. Yeah. You can also make a stew and eat with it. It all depends how you want to eat with it. Yeah. So you can see that it's too much. Quite. Yeah, because the garlic is too much than the tomato puree and the tomato blended. So the rice is doing the doings. So this is our lentil rice that it will melt your mouth. You eat, you go enjoy. This is lemon powder. I really love lemon. That's why I love lemon. Lemon is good though. So this is the recipe we were preparing. The name is Vida and Waka Doings. Vida and Waka Vibes on YouTube. No hard feelings, na we dey here. So thank you everyone for watching my doings. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I love lemon too much. Yeah, I really love lemon. I don't joke with lemon at all. This is the sauce, the garlic sauce. And this is dry chips onion. And this is the rice. Thank you for watching my doings. God bless you all.
Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain, free to all the heathen.